Welcome back. What we're going to do now is we're going to produce our chapter audio. And we're going to do that in a batch job using Camtasia Studio. Once again, we're using an older version of Camtasia Studio. You don't need to have an updated version in order to create an audio book. What we're going to do is we're going to go to our tools. We're then going to go to sharing. We're then going to go to batch production. We're then going to add all of the project files. Once we've done that, we're then going to click Next. We're then going to create audio only, so we're going to keep this audio the way that it is. We're then going to click Next. Now you'll notice here that we are going to finish and then it goes straight to the output folder, but we want to go back. And what we want to do is we want to look at the preset manager because we want to make sure that our settings match those of Audible. And instead of editing the existing audio only inside of Camtasia, which is the preset, what we're going to do is start a new preset. And it's going to also be for audio only. And we're going to do that by producing an MP3. We're then going to call this audiobook. We're then going to click Next. What we're going to do now is we're going to choose the bit rate. And we're going to do that by going into the audio encoding. And we're going to make sure that we are producing at least 192 bits because again, now this is the minimum that Audible requires. What we're now going to do is click Finish. Once we do that, we're then going to click Close. Now what we're going to do is we're going to send the audio to a file so that we can upload from that file. So we're going to click Next. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose the folder where we want to send the audio. Once we do that, we're then going to render and then create the audio that we're going to be using in order to upload to ACX. So we're going to stop the video right here and we're going to pick it up from the completion of these videos. Our chapter audios have now been finalized. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.